Today, me and my friend Micah are taking Photoshop requests a little too literally.
Can someone please Photoshop Taylor Swift into this picture?
He wants Taylor Swift next to him, so let's slide her in, color grade her a little, and add some shadows on the floor and chair. But wait, I think I'm missing something. What about her bodyguard? Actually, that's not secure enough. Let's grab a few of his buddies. Wouldn't want any superfans surrounding her.
This guy wants Taylor Swift in the picture, and luckily she's going to Starbucks. But how do we know this is her? Well, because the jet is gold. And if this really was Taylor Swift, then I think we'd see a lot more smoke. You're welcome.
Can someone straighten the candles and clean up the floor, please?
I don't plan on cleaning the floor myself, so I've hired this very kind man. Now the floor's nice and shiny. Let's not forget to color correct him. I also don't fancy straightening all these candles. Luckily this man does. Let's color correct him too. That's annoying. He left some out. I didn't pay him to do an incomplete job. Let's hand this over to him. And I'm going to have to straighten them all now.
They want the candles to be straight, but the only way to have straight candles is to not light them in the first place. So after removing them, I'll add some new ones. But now the only light source is this sign, so you're welcome.
Would anyone be able to remove my face mask?
This guy wants the mask removed, so let's just see what's under it. Oh, okay, maybe let's just put that back. And just to be safe, I'll add some gauze.
I'm going to carefully remove his mask. Oh no, he's got a cold. Let's give him a tissue. I wouldn't want Adam Sandler catching anything. He's a very important man after all, so I'll give him a mask. Let's give it a little shadow.
Can someone remove my mom, please?
She wants her mum out of the photo. That's easy. But wait, if the mum's gone, who gave birth to the daughter? And if the mum and daughter are both gone, that just leaves a very lonely father. Let's confiscate his bottle, as that can turn into a bad habit. At least he can have the leftover ice cream.
This person wants her mom removed. I don't know why, but I'm guessing she has a restraining order. So let's remove the mom and everyone else, and then put her in the back. Now let's just bring in a cop and his car, so you're welcome.
Before we continue, please let us know who you'd rather have edit your photos.
Can someone enhance this photo and remove the shadow from the rocks?
If he doesn't want the shadow, we'll need to remove the object casting it. That's how shadows work. So, bye-bye rock. Now without it blocking the sun, we can finally remove the shadow. But without it, this guy is now defying gravity. So sadly, I'm going to need to make him look like he's dropping to his death.
This person wants the image enhanced and to remove the shadows at the bottom. I'm not gonna do that, but I will add a crack in this rock and cut it out before tilting it down. And we're gonna have to break some of this person's legs and arms. Finally, let's move him and add some motion blur. So, well, I didn't fix your image, but that was fun.
Hello, editors. I feel small next to the beer. Help me not look dwarfed.
She doesn't want to look small next to the bottle. I can make her bigger, but that's not realistic. I can make the bottle smaller. But where would all the liquid go? Instead, let's bring in some perspective. And who better to offer some than Yoda? Let's color correct him, and finally paint in a shadow.
If she didn't want to look so small, I don't know why she took a picture next to the biggest thing she could find. So let's just remove the background, and I'll add some padded walls with a shadow. Let's give her a normal-sized bottle, and finally add a security camera, so hopefully you get the help you need here.
Please remove the house.
He wants the house removed. That's a big job, so I'm calling in the professionals. But first, let's give these happy people some protection. They're gonna need some shadows. And I'm going to need to select this fence for later. The demolition team has arrived.
6.5 hours later.
They're great at breaking stuff, but it looks like they are not so great at cleaning. Let's add a skip so the mess doesn't ruin the photo. That's still not enough. I'm calling in reinforcements. Here's another truck. And to make it look like they're actually working, let's place an employee.
This person wants the houses removed, and it's a good thing the director called cut, because we're just going to be adding that background in post anyways.
Remember to subscribe if you'd like me to edit your photos, and also go check out Micah.